Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to use a relief style in Tkinter. The last lesson, I show you how to use color in Tkinter. Sometimes we can't use some color because we can't write name, so we use this number like this number, foreground like this, welcome yellow, and background like this, welcome green. In this lesson I show you how to use relief style. Let's start like this, and we will take this button. I create 5 buttons, back, for draw this button on widget, and take copy and paste 5 button. Let's change name 1 2 3 4 5, and right here relief equal comma and comma relief equal and comma relief equal and comma relief equal and right relief equal. We can give it relief like this, sunken or flat or curve or release. This release default button and read. We use relief for control in the form of the button. We should write capital sunken like this, the autocomplete sunken, and right here flat like this, flat, and right groove like this, groove autocomplete, and right raised, this is a default, and right here reduct like this. Now save and run this code. This form of in this button, relief sunken like this form of this button, and relief flat, this flat button like this, and relief curve like this is curve button, and release this a default in button like this default, and this reduct like this button. We use this relief for control in the form of this button. I hope you like this video and see you next one.